Hey guys, I'm going to show you guys how to install and use, not install, but how to use coupons for WooCommerce version 4.8 and above. So if you have a WordPress website and you've installed WooCommerce, WooCommerce actually has moved the coupons away from, I'm actually logged into the admin, they've moved the coupons away from the regular WooCommerce dropdown and actually have placed them in their marketing. So a lot of people are wondering where their coupons went. So we're going to go ahead and add a coupon onto this website. This website's not launched yet. It's coming soon. Dive shouts you've never heard of. So anyway, we want to allow the ability for someone to enter a coupon in for these products, right? So if they want to give their whoever a coupon for their site, they can simply just send it to them. Now coupons work the following ways. One is you can give them a percentage discount, and I'll go ahead and just going to go ahead and create a new coupon and show you this. So we go ahead and marketing, we go to coupons. There's nothing in here now, so we're going to go ahead and create our first coupon. So the store's in development mode, but anyway, call it test 20. So I like to give descriptions just so I know what they are. You can do summer 20, whatever, winter, spring, summer, fall, whatever. So 20% off, whatever you want to do and call it for the discount code. So I'm going to say 20% discount for summer, whatever. So if you look here, you have a discount type, you have a fixed cart discount. So that means I can give $10 off, $5 off, whatever. Fixed product discount if it's a product price. Sign up fee discount. So say for instance, these are only available, all right? So you're only going to have these three available in the regular WooCommerce installation. But this particular store has WooCommerce subscriptions and memberships. So it's actually giving me additional options: sign up fee discount, sign up fee percentage discount, recurring. So this allows me the ability to give my customers who sign up for a monthly subscription, quarterly, biannual, yearly, whatever subscription, the ability to have discounts on their products as well. So for instance, I want to give them just a percentage discount for anything in the store. The 25%, I'll give them 20% off. Allow free shipping if I want to do that. Say I want it to expire at the end of this month. It's January 2021. I'm going to go ahead and select that. Usage restriction. You can say, for instance, you have products in the store that are $50 and you don't want that. You can put this at $51, so they have to order at least $51 in order to get their 21% discount. Or you could just leave it alone. Maximum, it's pretty self-explanatory. You can roll over these little question marks and they actually show you what they are. So if you don't know. Individual use only, check this box. The coupon cannot be used in conjunction with other coupons. If you select that, that means that if I send somebody a coupon for summer 20 and then one for winter 10 or whatever, and they try to use both coupons, they would be able to without this checked, but if I check it, they can only use one coupon at a time, okay? Exclude sale items. So say for instance you have a product that is $50 and then you put it on sale for $20 and you have the was and is price, MSRP, the slash through the price on your product. Then if you leave this deselected, then it means that they will also get discounts on the sale items. So if you don't want that, you put a checkbox there and they will not get a discount on the sale items. Products, if you leave everything blank, it's going to apply to everything in the store. So they'll get a discount on everything except for the sale products, right? So if I scroll down and I go, you know what, I only want them to get a discount in this particular case on surf bags. Surf, just type in surf, type in a couple things. So surf bags monthly is the only one I want them to get a discount on. And that's it. Then every other product in the store, they don't get a discount. So obviously you could change your code to whatever you want to call it, to if it's a product or whatever, okay? So in my case, I want a discount on everything in the store except for the sale items. So next, I can come down here, I can exclude products, exclude, 2, 3, 4, 5 products. So say you have thousands of products and you don't want to have, a couple of products in there, you can put them in here and exclude them. Same with the product categories. So say you have a category that is engines and another one is parts, and you only wanted to give a coupon to people that click on products that are in the engines category, you could click here, enter engines, and then it'll populate, and then you save it. And then it won't give discounts on any other products in any other category except for the engines category. Okay, do the same thing for exclude. Exclude emails. So say for instance you don't want Johnny down the street who has gotten 20 discounts already. You don't want him to get an email a discount if he is an account and he tries to check out and put his email in. He will not be able to get discount. Okay. Next, usage limits. Usage limit 1 per coupon. So usage limit per coupon. So if I select this, then I put 1. Right? So I'm customer A and I log in, whatever. I go to checkout. I use the coupon. It's done. Nobody else can use it. Nobody else can use it. Okay. So if another customer comes on board and they have that coupon and they try to use it, they're not going to be able to use it. But if you select 2, 3, 4, 5, only the first 10 customers can get coupons, and then anybody after that doesn't. So right now, I'll just leave it unlimited so anybody can use it. Limited uses to X items. So you can apply to all qualifying items in, and then you can have, your whatever product is going to be, surf, skate, whatever your items are here. So usage per limit, and if you roll over this, tell you maximum number of individual items this coupon can apply to when using product discounts. Leave blank to apply to all qualifying items. So if somebody orders 15 things and you only want to give them a discount for 3, you just put a 3 there. Okay. Usage limit per user. So this says how many times this coupon can be used by an individual user. Uses billing email for guests and a user ID for logged in users. This means that if I'm customer A and I go on here and I use the coupon, I cannot use it again ever, right? It's done. If I'm customer B and I get on here, I can use it once and I could never use it again, right? So if I put a 1 in there, so limit per user. So each customer can only use it once, each guest can only use it once. So I just leave it defaulted, who cares, right? But you are going to want to control that. So I'll go ahead and select publish to publish this. And so now my coupon has been published, and when I send this out in my email blasts or anything, I'm going to use summer 20. So if I go over to the front of the store here and I go ahead and go to my cart page here, I'm going to go ahead and apply this coupon now. So if I click here and I go ahead and enter summer 20 and apply coupon, okay, it's coming. Coupon code applied successfully, and then we will scroll down and we will see that the coupon summer 20 has been applied and it's $4 off. So now my thing is 16 bucks, subtotal, but here's my recurring. So in this case, this is a subscription website, right? So this would not be here for you. You would just see 16 bucks and then you would go ahead and proceed to checkout and they would check out for the $16. In our case, what's going to happen is they're going to get the discount for the first, for this particular item, right, with 16 bucks off, and then when they renew, it's going to renew them at 20 bucks a month. That's the only difference between the subscriptions and regular products. All right, that's it. Easy peasy parcheesy. And you can always turn them off. So say, that's real simple, self-explanatory. If you like this video, please go ahead and subscribe or hit like or send me your comments or questions.